Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we will cover the IsText function. The IsText function requires one argument, value. The IsText function will evaluate the value to determine if the value is a text value. A text value will return true, whereas a non-text value will return false. In this example, we have 13 values we wish to evaluate. Starting with cell B2, let's enter equals IsText, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. Cells A2 and A3 are standard text, so the results are true. Cell A4 is a regular number, so the result is false. Cell A5 is a number stored as text, so the result is true. Cell A6 is a formula, equals 1 plus 1, so the result is false. Cell A7 is a reference to cell A2, which is text, so the result is true. Cell A8 is a reference to cell A4, which is a number, so the result is false. Cells A9 and A10 are false because dates and times are stored as numbers in Excel. Blank cells like A11 will result in a false result, whereas a space in a cell such as A12 will be considered text and have a true result. Cells A13 and A14 are errors and are not considered text, so the result is false. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.